Carport update for this car and another vehicle and maybe a little boat. Yesterday we had no power the whole work day into evening. Doing upgrading the poles along the highway out there. Have a lot of outages. So I ran on a generator. We finished fabricating all the metal. Mostly I'm gonna put these up as fascia after we prime them and paint them. And still got some more painting to do with epoxy, with a metal enamel paint. Do it all second coat, finish it. Yeah, more day of painting. Workers should be along here any minute. That's a little update. I'm pretty happy with this structure so far. Okay, everyone. More again later. Bye-bye.